told you I talked to my brother Terry. He told me to put on that purple, and I showed you that. Well, I swear it was like my 4th or 5th cast, and something hit it like the boom real hard. But stupid me, I got too excited, and I set the hook too early. Just came early. Horrible. What are you gonna do? So when I did, I was mad. So I started reeling it in super fast, and then it got hung up on a log, of course, to insult to injury, So now I'm retying a hook. I'm gonna put back on the same color, purple, and I'm gonna go to war with whatever's out there. See ya. Birds is high. Okay. I ain't coming up there to mess with your nest. Oh, cool.